Hello, welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you all once again for tuning to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification button so that if we post any video, you'll be the first to know. And also a big thank you to our return subscribers and our new subscribers. Thank you for being part of this project. It is very encouraging for some of your comments and suggestion and all these questions here and there. It is really putting us and pushing us forward, and we thank you all. Like I always say, I've had a lot of questions about size of lands that we've been using for our pig farm so far, and I want to address that. And like I always say, guys, if you want to start anything, whatever you want to start, don't force or push yourself to go bigger or to start bigger. Even though you might have the vision of going big, it is always important for you to start small. If it is half a land, it is okay. If it is quarter a land, that is what you have. Just go ahead and start with it. We had a full plot size, which is 100 by 100. And actually, we were supposed to get 200 by 100. And there was a problem, an issue with the other land. So we end up going with the one. Even at that point, we didn't want to buy it because of the issue that we had. But we look at our finance at the same time, and then the project, as how soon we wanted the construction of the pen, and then we decided, hey, we'll go with this. So we end up taking one. We took one land, which is 100 by 100, and we started our project. And thank God we were able to finish the project on time, and then started the pig farm. And if you haven't watched those videos, you can go back to our channel and then watch those videos. It's the cost of building a pig farm. So we have this land, and right now, thank God, we've been able to resolve that issue on the second land, and we've added to it. So we are doing like 200 by 100, which is gonna be very helpful because, as you can see, we are expanding. So that is what it is. So if you are starting, whatever land that you get, try as much as you can and start something on that land. It does not matter how much you spending. It doesn't matter how many pens you want to put on. When you talk about pigs, guys, it takes few months for your pigs to increase, because like you all know, 3 months, 3 weeks, 3 days. So with that 3 months, let's take it like within 4 months, your piggery can increase. It is possible. So if you start small, just bear in mind that you are going to progress, improve, expand, you name it, as soon as possible. As soon as possible. And this is, a very lucrative business. pig farming. It is. Because if you have the finance to expand, to increase, you can do it very, very big. You can do it big. You can do it very productive. And that is what we are looking forward to do. Like you watch our last video, which is the vlog 35, you realize that we visited a farm, and this was one of the farms that really inspired me to go into farming. And I believe that that video really inspired you too. Even though the setup over there is a little updated, we are looking forward to do something in the future that will be more modern. That when you come to the farm, we can slaughter and butcher for you before you leave the farm with your, your meat. And this is something that it's not gonna happen overnight. It is a gradual process. That is why we've been able to start this way, small, and you all know how we started and where we are. So this is the size of the land that we have right now, which is 200 by 100. 200 by 100 meters. So that is what we have, and that is what we are working with right now. In case we get any addition, why not? We will take it if only we are financially strong, which I believe we will. We will take it. And that is how it should be. You should start from somewhere. You see, from here to where the pen is. It is quite a big land. So you can start anything, you can do anything. And if you watch the title, it says start a farm under $3,000. Under $3,000, you can get a land and start the farm anywhere. It depends where you want to start. If you know that in Ghana, the more you move to the rural area, the more cheaper you get the land. And if you are able to go to those areas, let me tell you one thing. People will call you for your pigs. They will call you for the pigs because the pig meat is not sufficient in the market. So they will call you if only you will do it and do it well. I'm talking about hygienic, talking about the weight and the size of the pigs. If you do and do it well, people will come after you. So don't even think about how you're gonna sell it because the market is there. We get phone calls every day in and day out that people want pigs. They are not ready. Our target is to go above 100 plus. Then we can think about, selling. But for now, we are trying as much as we can to establish the farm. Right now, we need about 1 or 2 pens. Within the next year, 2022, we should be able to put another pen, to make room for expansion or increase. Because as we want more, we have to do more so that we'll have enough place for them. Yes, so like I was saying, When you want to do anything, there are so many lands. You can get acres of lands wherever you want, and you can start something. Start something. Anybody that is looking into this, start something. You might say, there is no help here and there, but trust me, as soon as you start, go down. If you have to go down to Ghana, Africa, wherever you want to start, you can go and survey the area. You definitely get some energetic, interested young guys who want to come into it and help you. I have this young guy in the farm who said even though he's in school, but he said this is what he wanna do. He wanna do animal farming. He wanna learn, so he wanna work with us. And we've been working with him for some months now. And you see his energy and his interest. You realize that indeed he really, really loves what he's doing. And these guys are everywhere. Don't wait till you cannot move anything, then you want to put money into it. Try as much as you can. This is a good time for you to start. Start anywhere. Connect to people. Go to the rural areas. And at 3,000, you can even purchase about 2-3 acres of land over there. Surprisingly, yes, you can get it. And then you start it. Whatever your money will be sufficient for, your money can acquire, go ahead and do it. Start it, and you will never regret. Thank you, guys. Watch out for our next video. That will be an update on the pigs. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share, and have a safe time. God richly bless you all. Bye. Thank you once again for watching.